Hi, good evening. This is Maverick and this is Christine. So we have our wedding here at Ponderosa, January 20 to 2023. So masasabi ko lang sa service ng Ponderosa, from the booking, so they're warm. So they treat us hindi as a customer, but as a family. Parang they want to help us. Napakadaling kausap.
Sobrang dali.
Tapos, ito pa, sinabi, ito po yung gusto po naming mangyari, ito po yung budget namin. And then, sige, we'll maximize what your budget is. So, they're very, very collaborative. Pag medyo off yung inputs namin, kasi wala kaming experience sa ganito eh. So, pag medyo off, magsasuggest sila, how about we do this? Kasi ito yung maganda eh. Ito yung magandang kuha, ito yung perfect. So, ganun sila. So, hindi sila yung parang todo pasa, which is we don't like. So, parang they treat us as a family nga na gusto nila yung the best for you. Tapos, when it comes to the facility, superb. So, di mo siya akalain na nasa Binangonan or Angono area siya. Parang siyang 5-star hotel. Kung ano yung nakita niyo sa Facebook na pictures as is, ganun siya. On the event itself, yung staff, napaka-helpful, facilities are good. Tapos PWD friendly, yung hinahanap namin eh. They have elevators, ramps. So pwede siya sa mga relatives and friends na may challenges, let's say, physically. Food is superb, ambience is good, tapos service is okay. Not okay, excellent, actually excellent. Thank you po sa Miss Chris po. From the start, napaka-warm, para siyang tita mo na from US na, ay, ganito, ganyan-ganyan siya. Yun. Dito mabubuo kung wala sila eh. And I appreciate yung help nila. So yun lang. That's what I have.